Tonight I've got a great treat for you. I'm going to show you how to make garlic vegan cream cheese. To start, I am putting my vegan cream cheese in a bowl. Stir your cream cheese and get it nice and soft and smooth. You can see it's now nice and smooth and soft and pliable. Prepare your cloves of garlic. Now for this recipe, if you are using garlic that is this size, you would use 1 per ounce of vegan cream cheese. But the garlic that I have from Matt and Nicole is larger. So I'm using 8 ounces of vegan cream cheese and I will use 4 cloves of garlic. Next, peel it and put it through your mincer. This is the last of my cloves of garlic, and now you simply stir all of this together. So here it is, ready to serve. It's so delicious. Of course, because it's so garlicky, you need to eat it with friends who are eating garlic with you. Now this recipe could be made with cashew cream. This is what it looks like. It's so delicious. Please like and subscribe, and see you next week. God bless you.